Hi, it's Olivia, and today I have a Littlest pet shop toy. So, now I will open it up. And from one of my other videos, if you have watched, I bought this owl. And if you notice, their heads pop off, so I think you can mix and match them. And they come with cute little deco bits and accessories. So, I'm going to open them out of the box. It's pretty hard to open, just so you know. This one's really, really cute. His name is Philippe. Yes, his name is Philippe. And this one's Zoe from the Littlest Pet Shop show. Zoe's pretty hard to get out. So let me just get this little piece off their neck here. I think this, in the case, this little piece here holds the head to the body so it doesn't fall off in the box. That's what I think is the deal with the string here. I don't like how it's so into there. It's really hard to get out. Really hard to get out. Okay, finally got it. In my other video with my owl, I had a very, very hard time with getting the string out, and my mom had to help me. So now I'm gonna get it off of him. So you gotta go really hard on it to get the string off. So these are my two Littlest Pet Shops I got, and now I gotta get out the deco bits to decorate them. So here is Philippe's hat. If I can get in the hole here. Let me first find the hole, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all in there. I'm just going to hold it on because I can't really get it out of the hole right now. So I'm going to hold it on. There's this hat right here. So now I will get some of, and they come with two bodies, so they can, here's one of them for Philippe, and here's one for Zoe. They come with two bodies, so you can put them in two different poses. That's what I like also. Put Zoe's body out, and let me switch it so you can see what it looks like. This one, Zoe's more sitting up, and she does have her dress on, and her fancy bracelet. Crown out, little pink her crown. She has a little crown. This design, she has a yellow. And then right here's cool if it's low one. So here's, I'll stick this over a little bun here, and this part where her here. Put the whole. That's pretty cute. Let's switch the head back on. Pretty one. So I wonder if you can mix and match the bodies and heads from different characters. I have never tried that before though. Let me see. Whoa, you can. That's pretty creepy. That's really cool. I'm gonna try a flying dog now. Bird/dog. Pretty funny. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's pretty funny. Okay. Let me dress up the Philippe dog with his little bandana or something here. And I'm going to show you where's his other body. Oh, I didn't get his other body out yet. Okay, let me get that one out so I can show you what it looks like on the dog. So here's the body. I'll show you. Okay, here's a tip. It would be a lot easier if you put this on first and then the head. But you can snap it on as well with the head already on it. But it's just a little bit easier for me to do it like that. He looks really cute with the little scarf. So, take this back off. And I think this is a necklace. Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm going to put this little necklace on Zoe after I get her head on. And I like the little tiara she comes with. I'm going to put her here and I'm going to get the other accessories out. Oh, these bows are really hard to get out. I think you're supposed to put these bows in their hair because they have little holes all around them. And put one on Philippe's hat because there's a little hole also on his hat. Wait, let me show you. I'm showing you the wrong spot right there. There. And stick a little bow on the hat like so. And since I can't really put the hat on right now, let's see, show you like that. Gotta back on. See if you can get the. What am I? Oh, he forgot to put his body back on. I'm thinking. So let's see that. So other thing, one you kind of put on like this. Good. Kind of this. Oh, and so just putting it on her tail. Oh my god, her head. Oh, what am I thinking today? Okay, she looks really cute with the necklace and her pink tee for neck. So, I really like these toys. We put a lot of detail into them. And I got these at Justice for like $3 and something cents because they were on sale. Usually at Justice they're marked for $12.99, but I got them on sale. Let me show you the flyer it comes with. They come with other kits like this. I saw 2 other, but I wanted to get this one. So there's other sets with them. So I'm going to check these 2 off later, and I'm going to check my owl one off. Here's the big Littlest Pet Shop you can collect. So that's the video for today. Bye!